If you're new to the Thinkorswim app, here is a simple way to understand and start using it without feeling overwhelmed. First, download the Thinkorswim app from the App Store or Google Play and log in using your Charles Schwab account. If you don't have one yet, you'll need to create and fund a Schwab brokerage account first. Once you're logged in, the home screen shows market, charts, trade, analyze, and monitor. Start with charts. Search for any stock, ETF, or option symbol. Then tap it to open an interactive chart. You can zoom, change timeframes, or add indicators like move averages or RSI. Next, go to trade. This is where you buy or sell stocks and options. Choose your symbol, select buy or sell, set your order type like market limit, review it carefully and confirm. The Analyze tab is great for option traders. It shows risk profiles, profit and loss scenarios, and probability tools before you place a trade. Finally, use Monitor to track your open positions, balances, and daily P&L in real time. Take it slow, explore each tab, and use paper trading if you want to practice without risking real money. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.